Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up and use Cloudflare 1.1 Warp VPN on your PC or laptop. So first, I want you to open your browser and then type 1.1.1.1 into the address bar and then press enter. And then once the Cloudflare page opens, find the download option for Mac OS or Windows depending on the software that you are using. And then click it and wait for the installation file to finish downloading. Next, open your downloads folder and double click the Cloudflare Warp package file and then follow the instructions shown in the installer until the installation is complete. After that, Cloudflare Warp should open automatically and its cloud icon will appear in the menu bar at the top of your screen. And then click the Cloudflare icon, select next and accept the privacy policy, and you can then turn on the main toggle to connect. And once the status shows the Warp is connected, your internet connection is now protected through the app. And then Cloudflare Warp also gives you two connection modes. The regular 1.1 mode only protects your DNS traffic, while the Warp mode encrypts all traffic leaving your computer, including DNS traffic. And to switch between them, open the settings menu and then choose your preferred mode. So for more options, click the settings icon again and then open preferences. And from here, you can view and adjust settings related to your connection, account, and connectivity. So this is how you can install, connect, and use Cloudflare 1.1 Warp on your MacBook for a more private and protected internet connection. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.